Hello students, now we shall look into the oxygen cycle. Uh, as we breathe, we use air, and air contains 20% oxygen, and this oxygen is very important for our survival because this oxygen gets into our blood, and the blood supplies oxygen to all parts of our body for their effective functioning. So respiration depends mainly on the oxygen now, and I think in this difficult time you saw that a lot of people had problem with respiration, and they had to be given artificial oxygen respiration through oxygen, that is ventilators were used. So oxygen cycle is a biochemical cycle that portrays the development of oxygen inside and between the three principles of principal stores, that is oxygen is stored in the air and it is stored in the biosphere, that is the living things like plants. They have a lot of oxygen actually. Plant, when we cut the wood and burn the wood, it has got a lot of oxygen, that is why it burns very nicely. And then the lithosphere, that is the earth's hull. So the oxygen is abundantly available in air, in biosphere, that is living things, as well as the earth's hull called as lithosphere. So how this oxygen is produced? So there is only one procedure or one process where the oxygen is produced on this planet Earth, that is plants. Okay, they are the major or main creators of oxygen within the atmosphere, and their process is known as photosynthesis. So in the sunlight, the plants, they take the carbon dioxide from the air and sunlight and nutrients from the earth, and thus they produce glucose, their own food, and this process is known as photosynthesis. And in this process the plants take carbon dioxide and release oxygen. Here the trees make use of the daylight and carbon dioxide to supply electricity and release oxygen. Okay. The animals, including human beings, they breathe the oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. The plants can then use the carbon dioxide and the cycle is completed. So plants give oxygen to animals, animals take the oxygen and give carbon dioxide, plants take the carbon dioxide and convert into oxygen. So this is the oxygen cycle, what you can see in the sketch. Atmospheric oxygen, now we are breathing. So atmospheric oxygen, we are respirating, like we are also one animal. So we are breathing. So we take the oxygen from atmosphere, we release carbon dioxide. So this carbon dioxide is taken by the plants in a process called photosynthesis, that is during daytime when there is sunlight, okay, not in the night. So this is the important oxygen cycle which is sustaining life on this planet Earth. Okay, thank you.